The following scenario was requested by this user. Make sure to check out his channel in the description. Anyways, let's begin the scenario, shall we? The National Weather Service in Oxnard has issued a flash flood warning for northeastern Los Angeles County in southwestern California, western Ventura County in southwestern California, south central Orange County in southwestern California, southern Riverside County in southwestern California until 6 p.m. At 5:20 p.m., Doppler radar and automatic rain gauges indicated heavy rainfall across the warned area. Flash flooding is expected to begin shortly. Rainfall rates of 3 to 1 inch per hour is expected. This may cause flash flooding. Locations impacted by this flash flood include Lake Los Angeles, Wilsona Gardens, Antelope Center, Sun Village, and Empire Beauty Wildlife Sanctuary. Move to higher ground now until the warning expires.
Tornado emergency for Los Angeles, Ventura, Orange and Riverside counties. This is a particularly dangerous situation. The National Weather Service in Oxnard has issued a tornado warning for southern Los Angeles County in southwestern California, northeastern Ventura County in southwestern California, southeastern Orange County in southwestern California, western Riverside County in southwestern California, until 6:55 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time. At 6 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time, a confirmed large and destructive tornado was observed near Lake Los Angeles, moving southeast at 70 miles per hour. This is a tornado emergency for Los Angeles, Ventura, Orange and Riverside counties. This is a particularly dangerous situation. Take cover now. Hazard: damaging tornado. Source: radar confirmed tornado. Amateur radio operators have reported a tornado in the warned area. Impact: you're in a life-threatening situation. Flying debris may be deadly to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be destroyed. Considerable damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles is likely, and complete destruction is possible. Locations impacted include Lake Los Angeles, Sun Village,